Hi, my name is Attorney Ryan Denman. I'm one of the two attorneys at Duffy Law Office here in Davenport, Iowa. Today we're going to talk about what is probate. We get this question at our office all the time. As attorneys that practice primarily in estate planning, we do probates a lot. Probate is the court-sponsored process of taking someone's assets who have passed away and distributing them to those assets to those who are inheriting them. There are different types of probate that happen, and that sometimes we have probate without a will, sometimes we have probate with a will. In the state of Iowa, the test that we use to determine whether probate's necessary is whether the decedent, that's the term for the person who's passed away, has $25,000 or more of assets or any Iowa real estate. In Illinois, that number goes up to $100,000. There are some exceptions, though, in how we avoid probate. One of the easiest ways to avoid probate is making sure that all assets are titled in joint tenancy. This is very popular for married couples to do. Of course, joint tenancy tends to be a band-aid for probate avoidance because eventually the second spouse will pass away. The other type of probate avoidance tool used is payable on death, terminal on death, accounts, or beneficiary designations as we call them. Although beneficiary designations can be very effective for probate avoidance on IRAs and life insurance, it's not very effective in the state of Iowa if you own real estate. The state of Iowa does not allow you to pay what are called beneficiary deeds on real estate. Third, which is the technique we use most often, is through the use of a living trust. A living trust is a vehicle where we take your assets and place them into the trust, therefore saying at your death you own nothing. You don't own any real estate and you don't own any assets. That way we avoid the probate process. Usually there are a few reasons why people are trying to avoid probate. One being attorney's fees, two being court fees, three that it's a public process, and when I mean public, meaning everyone has access to your private information as far as who has what value your assets have and who's receiving them. And fourth, there can be multiple probates if you own assets in multiple states. I hope you've enjoyed this video and got some information about the basics of probate. If you'd like to talk more, feel free to give us a call at 563-445-7400. Thanks.